Since neither the NHTSA nor the IIHS discharged crash well-being test comes about for the Model 3, we can't rate it for security. The best well-being evaluations earned by past Tesla vehicles are cause for comfort. Nonetheless, the Model S structure was strong to the point that it legendarily broke the rooftop pulverize fix being utilized to test exactly the amount it could withstand. Each Model 3 accompanies 8 airbags and programmed crisis braking as standard. Versatile journey control is just accessible with the Autopilot bundle, which likewise packages in blindside screens, forward crash notices, dynamic path control, and programmed front lamp control. Something else, even best informs offer just customary journey control. No crash well-being test comes about have been discharged either by the NHTSA or IIHS for the Model 3, however Tesla has a decent record in getting top security appraisals for the Model S and Model X before it. It comes standard with 8 airbags and programmed crisis braking. All Model 3s incorporate keyless section, a 60/40 split collapsing backseat back, double-zone programmed atmosphere control, material upholstery, a sound framework with FM and gushing web radio, and the focal 15-inch touchscreen. They likewise accompany Wi-Fi and LTE remote availability, voice-enacted controls, 2 USB ports, and standard route. Choices incorporate warmed seats with premium trim and upholstery materials, 12-way control customizable front seats with memory settings that incorporate the directing haggle, a superior sound framework, a tinted glass rooftop, warmed and auto-darkening foldable side mirrors, LED haze lights, and a secured focus reassure with cell phone docking to supplant the standard open plan.